The Monitor Audio ST-2 Universal Stand is the perfect platform for your speakers to perform from, offering effortless design and high-fidelity musicality. Setting up the stands is easy. We'll take you through it step by step. Start by unboxing your stands. Inside the carton, you'll find 3 boxes. Inside the smaller box, you'll find a quick start guide, 2 top plates, a set of small screws, a set of large screws, rubber isolation washers, 3 hex keys, and 8 feet. Inside the next box, you'll find a pair of plimps. And inside the last box, you'll find both stand poles. Start assembling the stands by attaching the pole to the base. Using 4 of the smaller screws with the smallest hex key. Optionally, you can mass fill the center of the pole and feed through speaker cables before attaching the top plate. Next, attach the top plate with 4 smaller screws and the smallest hex key. Attach the feet by screwing them into the base. If you're using your stand on hard floors, remove the carpet spike by unscrewing them from the feet. If your stand isn't level, remove the magnetic cap and use the largest hex key to adjust the feet like this. You can securely attach the displayed speakers to the stand. However, you can sit most stand mount speakers on top. To attach the compatible speakers, use the larger screws and isolation washers, tightening with the medium-sized hex key. Then place them in position and enjoy your listening experience with the ST-2 Universal Stand. For more information and support, visit monitoraudio.com.